G'day guys, Dan here. Today we're going to go through an install of one of our Ute tub tray double dog crates. What's required for this install is obviously a dog box, tie down straps, highly recommends a rubber mat, and obviously tie down points in your Ute. Now, if you don't have any tie down points in your Ute, we do sell these tie down strips, which would make it easy to install. There'll be a link in our description below. All right guys, first step is to lay out your mat on which one of these dog crates will be sitting on. Even it up into the middle of your tray or your tub, and you're ready to actually lift these dog box into position. I would highly recommend grabbing a mate or someone else to help you lift, because these do weigh approximately 35 to 40 kilos. Next step guys is to lift it into position. Make sure you position it exactly where you need it to go. I reckon that looks schmick. Thanks, Corey. Next step is to feed your strap through the strap mounting points. You might need a screwdriver or something similar to help you feed it through. Pull it through, making sure there's no tangles. Like so. And then lock it off to a mounting hole. Do the same on the other side. Feed that down and then feed it through. All right, now we'll do the back one. Make sure you haven't got any knots. And the same way. Now we go through and ratchet down the crate. Make sure there's no twists or turns. If there are, make sure you just grab them out. Now, don't do the first one up tight straight away. Just do it up firmly. But you need to do the back one at the same time, and then you can ratchet them off. Okay. Now, while it's firm but not extremely tight, just make sure that you've lined it up exactly where you need it to be, because once you ratchet it down, this will not move. All right. Now guys, you don't have to use my multicolored straps like I've done here. You can use any color to your heart's content, whether it's black, blue, green, purple, pink, whatever. These straps I've just had on hand. All right guys, once you've finished strapping off, make sure that you actually go through and tie these ends off like I'm doing here, or something similar, because it is a legal requirement that no strap can be longer than 300 mil for flapping. Look. Something like that. All right guys, there you have it. That's how easy it is to install one of our double dog crates. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please get a hold of the team at info@dkstainless.com.au. Have a great day, guys.